Hi everyone, this is Bob McIntosh here at MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Today we're going to be going through Sea Ray's 400 SLX Outboard. Now this model has been regarded as one of the best entertaining platforms on the water. So as we get out of the marina here, let's take a walk through and see what she has to offer. So our 400 SLX is powered by triple Mercury 350 horsepower outboards. And as we do this video, we're actually using our Skyhook feature, which is keeping us in about an 8 to 10 foot bubble via GPS so that we don't have to worry about drifting into the nearby marina or worry about hitting another person's boat. Really gives us some time to walk around, whether setting the hook or getting ready to beach the boat to prepare what we need to prepare, whether it's dock lines, fenders, or a mooring line. As we move forward through the 400 SLX, we're going to pass by one of my favorite features, and that's our fold down swim platform. She's electronically actuated, and via push of a button will drop down to give us an excellent spot to jump on and off the boat, board the boat, and really just a cool place to hang out, let the kids swim off of. So the seating in the 400 SLX is plentiful. In the aft cockpit alone, we have seating for 12 to 15, and the seating capabilities carries as we move forward to the helm and the bow. So here at the helm, we have twin Simrad 16-inch displays, joystick piloting, digital throttle and shift, and all of your controls are at arm's reach. Really makes it a joy to run as a captain. So what really separates the 400 SLX from other day boats is having a berth down below that's air conditioned, that's comfortable, and can sleep up to 4, not to mention the full stand-up head, which is an absolute dream to have for a long day on the water. I absolutely love the bow of the 400 SLX, and notably it's just because of the size and the seating layout. The size of the bow seating area on this particular model is larger than most aft cockpits on most day boats. We have 3 wide seating. We have great seating, as you see where I'm at here, with cup holders and a pedestal table that can be set up right here. This is just scratching the tip of the iceberg on what the 400 SLX really has to offer. If you'd like a personal tour, please give me a call. Schedule an appointment. Cell phone's the best way to reach me at 215-501-2473. And again, my name is Bob McIntosh here at MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Can't wait to see you on the water.